So I woke up this morning. It's an amazing day, fresh out, just threw away the trash. About to go and make some Haitian food for the first time with one of my good friends. Can't wait to see what happens. I'm gonna take you guys on this journey with me. Apparently this is the place where I can get everything I need. Sauce fish, my favorite fish, red snapper. About to see how this comes out and looks. Got my salad here too. White rice straight out the rice cooker. Alright guys, first time trying some Haitian stew fish. Mind you, this is my favorite fish. This is red snapper. So I'm going to give this a shot. We got white rice, salad, all that other good stuff. But what I really want to do is taste this and see if it's hot or not. Alright, giving it a shot. I can taste the lemon all over this thing, so it was marinated in lemon for a little bit. Sauteed plantains. Gonna try some of this stew sauce right here. Hold on. And here's the verdict right here. That's a really good sauce. I can give this an 8.3 out of 10. Really, really good. Very, very healthy. Should definitely give it a shot. See y'all on the next one.